Why'd you turn on the light?
Oh, because I wanted to.
No, turn it off.
Oh, okay. Oh, me, Mama. Had a little conversation. Okay, this is a boat, and this is us. This is Lily and Alan. This is Speaker and Peppy. This is Lippy, and this is us. That's the end. Good night, and bye, boys, Grandmom, and Pete Poppy.